Students, yesterday we completed part 1 of 5.1. Now we'll begin with part 2 of the same exercise, that is 5.1. Let's begin with question number 4, that is verify that the points P minus 2 comma 2, Q 2 comma 2 and R 2 comma 7 are the vertices of a right angle triangle. Now when we say right angle triangle, we know we can use Pythagoras theorem, that is hypotenuse square will be equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square. Now here 3 points are given. So first we will take PQ. So P is minus 2 comma 2, that is x1 is minus 2 and y1 is 2, and Q is 2 comma 2. So here x2 is 2 and y2 is again 2. So by using distance formula, we know distance of PQ will be under root x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So we'll start substituting the values, that is x2 is 2 minus, and x1 is minus 2, so minus of minus is plus, so plus 2 the whole square plus y2 is 2 minus again y1 is also 2, so minus 2. So 2 plus 2 becomes 4, so 4 square plus 2 minus 2 will be 0 the whole square. 4 square is equal to 16, 16 plus 0 will be under root 16, which is equal to 4 by taking square root. So distance of PQ is 4 units. This will be statement number 1. Now we'll move to next part, that is we'll take distance of, first we took PQ, now we'll take QR. So Q is 2 comma 2 and R is 2 comma 7. So here again see x1 is 2 and y1 is again 2, x2 is 2 and y2 is 7. So by using distance formula, say I will substitute the values. X2 minus x1 means 2 minus 2 the whole square, which will be equal to 0, and 7 minus 2, which is 5 the whole square. So 0 square will be 0 and 5 square will be 25. So 0 plus 25 will be root 25, which is equal to 5 by taking square root. So distance of QR is 5 units. This is my statement number 2. And finally we'll find the distance of PR. So P is C minus 2 comma 2 and R is 2 comma 7. So by using distance formula, we know the distance formula is distance of PR is x2 minus x1 the whole square. x2 is 2 minus, and x1 is minus 2, so minus of minus is plus 2 the whole square plus y2 minus y1, so 7 minus 2 the whole square. So 2 plus 2 will be 4 square, 7 minus 2 will be 5 the 5 square. So 4 plus 4 square is 16 and 5 square is 25. So 16 plus 25 will be under root 41, which is my statement number 3. Now if you see here, we got 3 statements. So what we'll do, see, we'll compare. So what we can see here is, see, distance of PQ is 4 units, which was my statement number 1. QR we got as 5 units, statement number 2. And PR is under root 41, which is my statement number 3. So see, if we take here PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. So PR is under root 41 the whole square plus PQ plus QR, that is 5 square plus one other one we got 4 square. So left hand side under root 41 the whole square will be 41 only, and 5 square will be 25 and 4 square will be 16. Now 25 plus 16 will be equal to 41. So we can say that by converse of Pythagoras theorem, the given points are the vertices of a right angled triangle. Thank you. Now we'll move on to next sum, that is question number 5. Show that the points, you can see, so that the points P 2 comma minus 2, Q 7 comma 3, R 11 comma minus 1 and S 6 comma minus 6 are the vertices of a parallelogram. So again we'll do same thing. If you want, you can draw a rough diagram PQRS. So first I will take PQ. Here PQ is P is 2 comma minus 2. Here x1 is 2 and y1 is minus 2, and q is 7 comma 3 means x2 is 7 and y2 is 3. So again we'll use distance formula, that is under root x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. x2 is 7 and x1 is 2, so 7 minus 2 the whole square, and y2 is 3 minus y1 is minus 2, so minus of minus is plus, so plus 2 the whole square. Now 7 minus 2 will be 5 square plus 3 plus 2 will be 5 square. 5 square plus 5 square means 25 plus 25 will be root 50. So I'll keep this as it is. So distance of PQ is under root 50, which is my statement number 1. Now after that, we first got PQ. Now we'll take next as QR. See, Q is given 7 comma 3 and R is given 11 comma minus 1. So again by using distance formula we know x2 is 11 minus x1 is 7 the whole square plus, now y2 is minus 1 minus y1 is 3. So 11 minus 7 will be 4 square plus minus 1 minus 3 will be minus 4 the whole square. So 4 square is 16 and minus 4 square is also 16. So 16 plus 16 is equal to root 32. That is my statement number 2. So see, first I got as root 50 and the second answer is distance of QR as 32 units. Now further what we'll do, we'll take SR. So here if you see, S is 6 comma minus 6 and R is 11 comma minus 1. So by using distance formula, now you can see x2 is 11 minus x1 is 6 the whole square plus y2 is minus 1 minus y1 is minus 6. So minus of minus is plus 6 the whole square. So 11 minus 6 will be 5 square. Again plus minus 1 plus 6 will be 5. So 5 square plus 5 square is equal to again 25 plus 25, which is equal to 50. So now see, distance of SR is under root 50 units, which is my statement number 3. And now finally we'll find out the distance of PS. P is 2 comma minus 2 means x1 is 2 and y1 is minus 2. S is 6 comma minus 6 means x2 is 6 and y2 is minus 6. So using distance formula, 6 minus 2 the whole square plus minus 6 plus 2 the whole square. So 6 minus 2 will be 4 square plus minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4 the whole square. Again we get 4 square is 16 and minus 4 square is also 16. So 16 plus 16 is 32 roots under root 32. So distance of PS is 32 units, that is statement number 4. Now see, if you consider statement number 1 and 3, see, from 1 and 3 we get distance of PQ is equal to distance of SR, which is equal to 50. Statement 1 and 3 we got 50, and statement 2 and 4 means distance of QR is equal to distance of PS, which is equal to 32 units. So we know that now in a parallelogram the opposite sides of a quadrilateral are congruent. So we can say that the given points are the vertices of a parallelogram. Now we'll move on to next sum, that is question number 8. Similar type of sum. Show that the points A 1 comma minus 2, B 1 comma 6, C 1 plus 2 root 3, comma 4 are the vertices of an equilateral triangle. Now we know equilateral triangle, when all sides are congruent to each other, then we can say it is an equilateral triangle. So first again same steps, we'll go for A and B, distance of AB. So see, A is 1 comma 2, here x1 is 1 and y1 is 2. B is 1 comma 6 means x2 is 1 and y2 is 6. By using distance formula we get distance of AB is under root x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So now see here what we get. See, again due to some technical issues there is some correction. x1 is 1 and x2 is 1. So x2 minus x1 is 1 minus 1 the whole square, plus 2 will not come, plus 6 minus 2 means y2 minus y1, that is 6 minus 2 the whole square. So the next step will be 1 minus 1 will be 0. So 0 square plus 6 minus 2 will be 4 square. So 0 square is 0 and 4 square will be 16. So we get under root 16 means root 4 as statement number 1. Here x1 is 1 and x2 is also 1. So we get x2 minus x1 as 1 minus 1 the whole square. So it's only 1 minus 1, plus 2 will not come in that. Now see next step what we'll do, we'll take distance of BC. Now while taking BC we have to be very careful because B is 1 comma 6, which is x1 is 1 and y1 is 6. But C is 1 plus 2 root 3 comma 4, means x2 is 1 plus 2 root 3 and y2 is 4. So by using distance formula, see the distance of BC is under root x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So see what will come now, x2 is 1 plus 2 root 3. So in place of x2 I am writing 1 plus 2 root 3 minus x1 is 1. So minus 1 the whole square plus y2 is 4 minus y1 is 6. So see here, now we have 1 and 1. You can see 1 plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled down. So what is left? 2 root 3 is left, the whole square, plus 4 minus 2, 4 minus 6 will be minus 2 the whole square. So now see what we have, 2 root 3 the whole square will be root 12, because 2 square will be 4 and root 3 square will be 3. So 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 4 will be 16. So BC is 16. So by taking square root, the distance of BC will be 4 units, which is my statement number 2. Distance of AC. Finally, first we got first statement, second, now third. We'll go for third one. Third is AC. A is again 1 comma 2, which is easy, but C is again C. 1 plus 2 root 3 comma 4. So x1 is 1 and y1 is 2. Here x2 is 1 plus 2 root 3 and y2 is 4. So by using distance formula, we know x2 minus x1. Now see here, x2 is 1 plus 2 root 3 minus x1 is 1. We can see again, see 1 and 1 gets cancelled, plus 1 minus 1 cancelled. So 2 root 3 the whole square is left, and y2 minus y1, which is 4 minus 2 is 2 square. So again see, 2 root 3 the whole square will be 2 square is 4, root 3 will be 3. 4 3s are 12 plus 2 square will be 4, 16. So by taking square root, statement number 3 is again 4 units. So from 1 to 3 what we get, see, distance of AB is equal to distance of BC is equal to distance of AC. So all three sides are congruent. So AB's triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. So the given points are the vertices of an equilateral triangle. Thank you.